Welcome to Ennui, an elegant neural network user interface. From here you can start building a new neural network architecture or explore more about deep learning here. Here we have a canvas of a neural network architecture, and we have some templates down here that you can select from. Eventually you'll want to create your own architecture, and you can do so by selecting on a blank template here, and then by adding more layers from the left pane over here. We'll add some denses, convolutions, max pooling, some flattens, and some concatenate layers here. Then we'll drag the layers into place, and then we can begin connecting them together. You can connect two layers together by selecting on one and then selecting on another, and an arrow will form between them to indicate that the layers are now connected. Once all the layers are connected, we can begin adding activations to the layers that require them. We'll add some ReLUs and some sigmoids to demonstrate. The activations simply slot into the layers that require them in the little notch for them. We can begin training the model, and here we are loading the MNIST dataset. We can also choose a different dataset like CIFAR10 over here. Here we're showing model status, but we can also get more model information if we look at the progress tab over here. Here we can see that loss is decreasing and that accuracy is increasing. From here you can also select different optimizers, different loss functions, or choose from different hyperparameters. Here we have a confusion matrix. This confusion matrix tells us that the network is currently having trouble distinguishing between 7 and 9s. You can also select the visualization tab to look at different images that the network is classifying. Here we can see that it's having trouble classifying this 5 as a 6, and then we can select different classes of images over here. Here we can see that it's misclassifying the 7 as a 4. When the model is done training, we can also export to Python or copy the model link to show it to other people or share a model that you've built. You can then also select the Education tab, and we'll be adding more educational content to this tab so you can learn more about deep learning and neural networks. Thank you for visiting Ennui.